What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the free workshop. This is video number 3. Karen is going to be showing you how to take photography to the next level today so that you can take that perfect picture, which is going to help you increase sales and increase clicks on your items to get those perfect sales. So if you like this content, jump on our list, on our email list below, and make sure you subscribe. We're going to be dropping a ton of free content once this goes live. So why don't you come on into her studio and see what she's got for you.
Hi! So, photography. You don't need to be skilled in this. You will get better at it as you go. And you also don't need so much room. You can have a pop-up studio if that's what you need. I am going to show you how to do 3 simple flat lays. A flat lay it's pretty much in the name. You're laying it flat on some kind of surface. I have a fuzzy white rug. Some people have a white sheet. Some people will use a wood floor or buy something like that, craft paper. When you have a solid background, it really lets your product show through. White is better because it's a non-color. So I'm going to show you 3 different items. I'm going to show you a shoes, a shirt, and bottoms. So you kind of give you an idea on how you don't need to know so much stuff about photography in order to do this. So the first thing I'm going to show you are shoes. Little like patent leather clogs. I don't know how to say this. Allegoria. They're really cute. So for the shoes, for the main photo, I have one straight up and one on the side so they can kind of see the depth of the heel. And this also has a cute little butterfly. So I like to kind of do that. If it's heels, I'll have them both like that because heels are awkward. But you kind of want them to see in the very first picture the most about the product, so they would open up the listing and see. And the good thing about the flat lay is you're just going right over it and taking a photo. Good, so, and then Poshmark allows you 8 photos. You should be using the majority, if not all of those photos. These people cannot touch these items. They don't get it until they actually own it. So you have to show them every angle of the item. And this is gonna increase your chances for a sale. If you just have like 1 or 2 items, you're gonna get a lot more questions, a lot possible people wanting to return your items. So I also take the bottoms of the shoes. I also take the shoes where they show you like the size. It's different in every shoe. Shows like leather, upper, and lining. And then I take them side by side. Kind of like a little bit of an angle. And then aerial view, as if I was going to put my feet into them. Because some people think, what can you really take 8 pictures of a shoe? You can. So I have that. So all those photos took me, what, like a minute and a half. These shoes are probably gonna get about $40 to $50 for. These retail for about like $120 to $150. They may not look like it, but they definitely do. Now I'm gonna show you a shirt. And you kind of think, how can you mess up a shirt? So this has been pressed. So I'm going to do the secondary photos first and then get on to my main photo with the shirt. Oh, I'm going to put the sign. It's kind of like my branding, that little sign. Front. Back. This is rag and bone. Rag and bone for men and for women. If you could get it at a cheap price, you're gonna make bank on that. It resells for high profit. I was so excited to find this. Now you always want to show the tag. Just in the listing, if you put, hey, this is a size extra small, you know, you can make a mistake. So you really want to take a photo of the tag and let people know, like, hey, this really is an extra small. I also like to take pictures of the inner tags as well. cover photo, because let's admit it, shirts are boring. Very boring looking. So we have and occasionally if it's just a t-shirt I will put it on a hanger and do one hanger shot, but I don't have to with this one. The brand's going to sell this shirt because it is Rag & Bone. So t-shirts are easy, very easy. Next I'm going to show you bottoms. Granted they are easy bottoms. True Religion shorts. Kind of like, what is that, train conductor shorts, like pinstripe. True Religion always has like the horseshoes and like the deep stitching. So these, I couldn't pass them up. Some girls are gonna really like to wear this to a festival or weekend plans. I laid it pretty flat, but you see how it's all like fuzzy. Give it a little bit of life. Make it look like it's nice. But you don't, if it's ever wrinkly, you should steam it or iron it. I prefer a steamer. I don't even iron my own stuff. So that's gonna be my cover shot. Front. Fuzzy wuzzy. Back. True Religion, you have to, and any jeans, you should show like the maker's mark, any details like that. So I'm gonna take a picture of that, and then the stitching on the pocket. And of course, like I said before, any tags. Now True Religion, you have to take the front tag and the back tag. Kind of like that. So these I'm going to be selling for about $45. Shorts don't go for as much as jeans, I guess because it's only half a jean. But hey, it's summertime, you know, Poshmark is seasonal because it is only in the United States, but all of this took me, well, like 5 minutes. I shot 3 things, 5 minutes, while talking to you guys. So it's gonna take me another maybe like 4 minutes each listing. I can list all of these in about 15 minutes total, start to finish. Get them all up. If I put that for 45, and I have to do a comp on the Rag & Bone. Not exactly sure, but it's in that same range. Like this is over about $100 worth of items right here. Now that's good money. That's great profits. So I really hope this has helped. So definitely make sure to click that link in the description below and get on that list. And we'll be learning some more. See you later.